Increasing your bench press involves a combination of consistent training, proper technique, strategic programming, and attention to supporting muscle groups. Here's a breakdown of how to improve your bench. Master your form. Proper form is crucial for both maximizing strength and preventing injuries. Key elements of good bench press form include setup. Lie on the bench with your eyes directly under the bar. Your feet should be flat on the floor, providing a stable base. Grip. Use a medium grip width with your thumbs wrapped around the bar. Never a thumbless suicide grip. Your forearms should be vertical to the floor at the bottom of the movement. Scapular retraction. Squeeze your shoulder blades together and pin them back into the bench. This creates a stable base and protects your shoulders. Chest position. Arch your upper back slightly and puff your chest up towards the ceiling. This shortens the range of motion and helps engage your chest muscles. Keep your butt on the bench. Elbow tuck. As you lower the bar, tuck your elbows in at about a 45-degree angle to your torso. Avoid flaring them out to 90 degrees, which can stress your shoulders. Bar path. Lower the bar slowly and in a controlled manner to your mid-chest, around the sternum or bottom of your pecs. Press the bar back up in a diagonal line, aiming to finish directly above your shoulders. Controlled movement. Don't bounce the bar off your chest. Maintain control throughout the entire lift. Implement progressive overload. The fundamental principle for muscle growth and strength is progressive overload. This means gradually increasing the challenge to your muscles over time. For bench press, this can involve increasing weight. This is the most common method. If you successfully complete your target reps with good form, add a small amount of weight for your next session. Increasing reps. If you can't increase weight, try to perform more repetitions with the same weight. Increasing sets, add more sets to your workout. Or increasing frequency. Bench press 2 to 3 times per week, allowing for adequate recovery. So, let's talk about following a structured program. Randomly benching, well, it won't yield those optimal results we're all after. A well-designed program is essential, you know? Many programs utilize a combination of heavy and lighter days, and they vary intensity and volume over weeks. Some common strategies you might consider include linear progression, where you gradually increase the weight week to week for a set number of reps and sets. Then there's periodization, cycling through different phases of training like hypertrophy, strength, and peak, with varying rep ranges, sets, and intensities. And don't forget about frequency. Benching 2 to 3 times a week is often recommended for consistent progress. Now let's move on to incorporating accessory exercises. The bench press heavily relies on your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Strengthening these muscle groups through accessory exercises will directly translate to a stronger bench. For triceps or lockout strength, consider adding close grip bench press, skull crushers, or lying triceps extensions. Dips, pin press, and JM press are also great options. For chest or off-the-chest strength, try dumbbell bench press, incline barbell press, and pause bench press. Don't overlook dumbbell floor press, plyometric push-ups, and chest flies. For shoulders, focus on stability and strength with overhead press, front raises, and lateral raises. And for back, which provides stability and support, include rows and pull-ups or lat pull-downs. Alright, addressing weak points is crucial. Identify where you struggle in the bench press. If it's off the chest, focus on exercises that build chest strength and explosiveness, like pause bench press, spoto press, or plyo push-ups. If you're struggling in the mid-range, work on overall strength and power through variations like pin presses at the sticking point or tempo work. And for the lockout, emphasize tricep strength with close grip bench press, skull crushers, or JM presses. Finally, let's cover some other important factors. Always start with a dynamic warm-up before benching. This includes arm circles, internal and external rotations, and push-ups. Nutrition is key too. Fuel your body with adequate protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats to support muscle growth and recovery. Rest and recovery are just as important. Allow sufficient rest between workouts for your muscles to repair and grow. Overtraining can lead to plateaus and injury. Oh, and when you're pushing heavy weight, always have a spotter for safety. Consistency is crucial for seeing results, so make sure to stick with it.